guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video I am sharing with you another backdrop, and I've seen this idea trending lately and it looks really awesome, and I've been looking at pictures and I've been like obsessing over it because it looks so cool, and I wanted to recreate this idea for my channel as well, just to share it with you, and you guys can make it for your event as well. All right, without any further ado, let's just jump into this backdrop. Here are the supplies that I'm planning to use for this backdrop. I'm starting with a French table skirt in gold color. I've seen people use that type of a streamer for that type of a backdrop, and it looks beautiful, so I'm excited to try it out. I will be pinning everything on my pins with pearls on top. Nothing changes here. Love pinning things to my fabric. I bought 3 colors of streamers: a yellow, this fuchsia pink color, and this orange color. I love how summery this is, and I bought 6 rolls per color. We'll see if it's gonna be enough. Each roll cost me 97 cents, and each roll is 150 feet long. I am pretty excited. All right, so how am I doing this? I'm getting my roll with my streamer, and I kind of eye and see how big of squares or section per color I want to do. So this is the height that I want to start with, and I'm taking my streamer, keep on piling and layering, not trying to be perfect, with different lengths of the streamer, and keep on layering. For my bottom layer, I really want my streamer to lay at the bottom as well, so I'm trying to give it a good length so it would cover the bottom as well. So kind of like this, you can fan out your streamer a little bit more, and then I'll be taking my pins with pearls on top, poking through my streamer, finding the perfect spot for my second section, and pinning that to the fabric. As soon as you're done with this section, I like to cut my streamers in half, those loops that we just created. Here you have your section of orange. Keep on piling and making more orange or that particular color that you're first working with to the size that you want to have. And yeah, we'll go all the way through the bottom with different colors, and then we'll move up and we'll layer and make this awesome backdrop into something awesome. All right, let's finish this up. So to conclude all this, I will tell you that I used 4 rolls of yellow streamers, 5 rolls of orange streamers, 6 rolls of pink streamers, and literally like 1 streamer of blue and a little bit more of a second one. So you can tell like 1.5 streamers of blue color. I'm not done yet. Obviously, I want to take this backdrop to the next level. We'll see how it goes. This turned out beautiful. I am loving this. Now I want to go ahead and take this French table skirt, and I want to go under my streamer and kind of make it like a peekaboo of gold here and there, not everywhere. We'll see where it's going to look the best. I'm going to pin this again with my needles with pearls on top. Okay, so I don't think I like how 1 layer of this fringe looks, so I'm gonna double fold this fringe and pin it. All right, it looks really, really cute. Now let's trim this into shape that I want. Pretty cute, right? Well, guess what? I'm not done yet. I want to make a balloon garland. Here's what I'm about to use for my balloon garland. I have pink, orange, yellow, and blue balloons. They are 12-inch balloons. I will blow them up into different sizes to kind of mix sizes up and not have a garland with only 12-inch balloons. I have a 10-pound fishing line and my balloon pump. About the balloons, a little bit about the balloons. I paid for each bag, I paid 97 cents. Each bag has 15 balloons in them, and I also wanted to have some color difference, just a little bit, so I bought 1 more pack of these aqua balloons over here. And yeah, hopefully everything's gonna turn out the way that I envisioned. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, I want to start with blowing the balloons. As I learned, it's better to blow 2 balloons at once, 1 bigger, 1 smaller, or 2 at the same size, or whatever size you have, and then pick them up and tie them together. That way you will save lots and lots of time on your balloon garland. Start building your balloon. Grab one of the individual balloons that you have and tie a knot. Okay, now you're gonna go to your paired balloons, grab 1 pair, put right on top of your fishing line and that balloon that you just tied with the fishing line. Take your fishing line and wrap around the pink balloon once, push it towards the yellow, and again a second time, and again push. And that's how you build your balloon garland. Keep on putting your paired balloons on top and wrapping it around and pushing towards the ready-made balloon garland, and you'll be good to go, and you'll build your balloon garland in no time. My balloon garland, I want to take an extra piece of fishing line, wrap around 1 spot on my balloon garland, and then take my safety pin, pin it to my fabric, and then tie my extra fishing line that I just wrapped around my balloon garland to that safety pin. want to fill in spaces and focus more on this area to put more of these guys right over there to build like one corner really big. So let's go. And I am attaching all of my balloons on my low heat glue gun. What I have for you guys today. I am completely and totally in love with this backdrop. I love how this balloon garland completes this backdrop. I love the pop of color over here, and overall I am incredibly happy with what I have on my backdrop right now. To be honest, it's not that bad and it's not that long as I thought it would be. It took me around 4 hours to make this backdrop completely from top to bottom with the garland. So pretty easy, pretty awesome decoration for your event. As I told you already a little bit earlier in this video how many of streamers I used per color, so go back if you didn't hear and watch it again, or check the description down below. I will let you know everything you would need for this backdrop. Also, I used 30 balloons per color, so 30 yellow, 30 orange, 30 blue, and 30 pink balloons, and 15 of these aqua balloons as well. I will list everything in the description below. Also, these balloons, some of them had holes in them, so that was kind of disappointing. I will try to find substitution or the same exact balloons for you guys, and I will list everything in the description down below. I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my idea on these streamers. You can take something inexpensive and make it into something totally beautiful, and I love how it turned out. If you found this video helpful and inspiring and you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments if you have them in the comment section below, and if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. And every single supply that I used for this backdrop, I will list in the description down below. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.